If you want to make your videos look more engaging and professional, adding an audio spectrum in CapCut PC is a really simple way to do it. It gives your edits that extra visual energy and makes your music, podcast, or talking video feel much more dynamic. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add an audio spectrum in CapCut PC step by step, even if you're just getting started. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and import your video and audio tracks onto the timeline. You can do this by dragging your files into the project or using the import option inside CapCut. Once everything is loaded, make sure your audio is placed correctly on the timeline so you can match the spectrum to the sound. Next, look at the top left corner of your workspace and click on the Stickers tab. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of the fun visual elements you can add to your project. Inside the Stickers section, use the search bar and type in Audio Wave or Audio Spectrum. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, you may see different animated styles, so take a moment to browse and choose the one that fits your video best. Once you find a dynamic sticker you like, drag it onto the track above your video in the timeline. Placing it on the track above your main video is important because that keeps the sticker visible as an overlay instead of replacing your footage. After that, click on the sticker in the preview window and resize it to the size you want. You can also reposition it anywhere on the screen, whether you want it centered, at the bottom, or off to one side for a cleaner look. If needed, adjust the edges of the sticker clip on the timeline so it matches the duration of your audio. This helps the spectrum stay on screen for the entire part of the video where the sound is playing. If your audio is longer, just stretch the sticker out to cover the full length. If it's shorter, trim it down so everything lines up neatly. You can also preview the animation to make sure the movement looks good with your track. If the sticker feels too large or too distracting, simply scale it down or move it to a different part of the frame until it looks balanced. The goal is to make the spectrum enhance your video, not take attention away from the main content. Once you're happy with the placement and timing, play it back from the start and check how the audio spectrum looks with your music or voice track. A well-placed spectrum can instantly make your edit feel more polished, especially for reels, intros, lyric videos, or creative promo content. And that's it. Now you know how to add an audio spectrum in CapCut PC quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.